In today's video, you are going to see how my skin went from this to this using my DIY face mask. So we're going to start off with our ingredients. You're going to need a mixing bowl and you're also going to need some baking soda. Everything in this DIY tutorial is going to be found in your kitchen. You don't have to go out and buy anything. Next, you're going to need some turmeric powder. Turmeric has so many holistic benefits. I really suggest you guys look it up. We're going to take some lemon juice, and I like to use fresh lemon juice. As you can see, it likes to foam up with the baking soda, and I absolutely love that. You're also going to need some honey, but if you have really bad cystic acne, I recommend using aloe vera. A little bit of water, and we're going to mix it up. You want to mix this to a really creamy consistency, so if you apply too much water, you can just go and put a little more baking soda until it's nice and creamy, because you don't want this to run all over your face. Mix it up, and then we're going to get started. Now my skin has already been washed, and when I first started to apply this mask, I concentrated this mask on areas that had the worst hyperpigmentation, and for me that was my cheeks and my forehead. Now I just use it all over just to make sure that I have an even skin tone. So I would suggest focus on the areas that are your problem areas, which is typically the T-zone for people who have acne. We're going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to rinse it off. So this is what my skin looks like without any moisturizer. Close up, you can see that it's nice and bright. My skin tone has definitely evened out, and this only took me 60 days. I usually apply this mask at night, so I'm going to do my nighttime skin routine, and I'm just applying some vitamin C serum. I'm going to use my derma roller, and this thing is a must-have in your skin routine. Like, you have to have this. I'm then going to go in and moisturize my skin. You guys, please don't forget to moisturize your neck. If you want to have an even skin tone, your neck is very important. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite finishing spray. This is a mixture of rose water, and I absolutely love it. I'll leave a link to everything I'm using in the description box. But this is what my skin looks like in natural sunlight, no filters, nothing, just natural skin. And that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.